Want to add a shipping address on Temu or maybe manage multiple ones? It's super easy and I'm here to show you how to do it in just a few simple steps. Hi there and welcome back to One Stop Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add and manage shipping addresses on Temu so you can make shopping even more convenient. Now, let's get started. First, open up your Temu app on your phone. Next, look down at the bottom of the screen and tap on the U button. This is where all your personal settings are. On this page, you will see an icon for addresses. Tap on that to manage your shipping details. Now, you'll see a button that says Add a new address. Tap on that to start adding your shipping details. Here, you will need to enter your full name, phone number and address details including your area, city, postal code and any other required info. Once you're done, hit save. You can add more addresses anytime. Just repeat the process for each new address you would like to store in Temu. And that's it. Now you know how to add and manage shipping addresses on Temu. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.